So last week when we posted shorts for patterns, one of you recommended that don't post so many videos a day, even if those are shorts. By the way, nice video. And I guess you were right because we weren't really making quality cubing content. And we should be doing that. We just made that so that our channel reaches more far out. And I appreciate your concern. So that's what we did. We made a proper video and we did 100 solves on the GAN 356M and then we made a review. So the GAN 356M is the GAN's budget magnetic cube, which is the only budget magnetic cube that GAN has released. And we're going to be using it to do 100 solves, and then at the end of the video we'll be telling you our thoughts on this cube and you should consider buying it. So this video will be quite a long one, so I can't do it by myself, and in the later part of the video VKM Passion will be coming in and doing the other 50 solves. So let's get started. This is it, the 100th solve. Well, 50th, but in editing it's gonna be the 100th. So let's go. And for this one I will be commentating. So I'm just scrambling up the cube here. Now I've always had this problem with D and D prime, and this is D prime and this is D, so I just said that if you didn't know. Now as you probably saw, I'm like sub 30 almost. Don't mind that number anyways. So here I can see that I can insert the blue back here and I can insert the green here, and then this will be an easy insert and this will come here. So okay, that's the first F12 pair, that's the second one, third, that's pretty bad F12, but it's okay because the overlays is to look, and oh come on, U-perm to finish it. I just learned that U-perm and that was sub 30. So as I promised, I would be giving you some of my reviews on the GAN 356M after we did 100 solves. For the GAN, I must say that this is actually pretty budget for a magnetic GAN cube, considering that GAN only makes, premium cubes. And the specs are that it's about 74 grams, has black internals, the magnets are not interchangeable, and if you buy the light edition, you get a standard set of blue GES nuts, and you can select from 0.8 and 0.6. Mine is on 0.6 right now. Pretty sure that's the tighter or looser one, I'm not sure. I think it's the looser one. And the color is pretty normal compared to other cubes. The turning is fantastically smooth, and once you get used to it, you definitely can't get rid of this feel, because I've tried the GAN 11M Pro and that feels kind of rigid and blocky compared to this cube because it feels so smooth. And yes, it does come lubed, well, depending on what service you choose, but I got it lubed for free. So as you can see, the T-pace is really good on this cube, and it doesn't really flex that much unless you have bad finger tricks, like me. So it doesn't flex that much while you're cubing, but sometimes this happens. But that's okay because this is around 30 Singapore dollars, and that's pretty good for a GAN 356M. So that was it, 100 solves in the GAN 356M / review. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we're almost so close to 200 subscribers, and we're like that close to getting sponsored. So if you want to see more reviews and maybe use our discount code, then subscribe and we might get sponsored soon. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye.